Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. We are back out on the mountain range today, except I'm by myself. Justin and his family are down in Florida doing some scuba diving and having some fun. So I'm here by myself, but hey, it's like old time. So it is so beautiful here today. It's like 80 degrees here today. Where are you from and what is your temperature like today? Put that in the comment section below and let's all see what the weather is like around the world. Hey, why not? So this is what we have for you. We have 4,000 paintballs here. And what we're gonna do is see if they can stop a bullet. So here's what we'll be shooting today. We have a 22, 9mm, 40, 223, and then we're just gonna finish them all off, if there's anything left, with a 12 gauge slug, which ought to make a great artwork on this tarp I have here. I put this tarp down to help me clean up things a little better since I'm by myself today. So that's what we got for you guys today. The first round we're gonna do is a 22, but hey, don't forget, if you pick up a $10 Going Ballistic t-shirt, we're almost out of these, you get a free laser engraved 50 cal brass that was shot on this channel. One per customer, and don't forget, eBay can't get their crap together, so tell us in a comment section or something down there what size you need and we'll get it out to you. But hey, you know what? No more talking. Let's get rocking. Okay, first one up, 22 long rifle. Let's see what she does. All right, we're sending her down range. Clear. Okay, this is why I need Justin here. That was a terrible shot. I hit up here at the top, through here, and hit the target. All right, we just got to do it over. This is a terrible shot. Here we go. All right, here we go again. Some people's kids. High speed on. Everything is ready. Boom! Okay, let's check it out. Clear. All right, this time I hit dead center right here on this one. This is kind of a bad picture angle because it's so much shadow, but we're gonna need some more paintballs apparently. Blew right through it. Don't know if it hit the target or the dirt. Well, that was a little disappointing. I thought the paintballs being full of paint would do a better job, but they didn't. So I think we should line a couple more up and see if they can stop a 22. Let's do it again. All right, we might just have to rename this video, how many paintballs does it take to stop a 22? This is embarrassing, but hey, we're gonna find out together. All right, here we go. We got 4 jars of paintball set up. Let's see what this does. Recording. Clear. Okay, here we go. Well, it went through the first. And let's see, where'd it go in? So it went through the first one here. Second one. Out. Hey, look at that. It did not make it into the third one. Finally, we stopped a bullet. Okay. So it must be right there, the bullet is. That's where it hit. All right. Okay, so finally we can move on to the 9mm, which is probably just gonna make an absolute mess. But hey, research and destruction channel, here we go. All right, this is really weird shooting a 9mm sitting down, but let's give it a try. Here we go. All right, let's check it out. Clear. All right. Well, not the best shot, like I said, kind of need Justin. Hit here on the side, but it looked like this turned this one, went through this one, into this one, probably somewhere over here, out the back, took out some of this, and that was about it. That was me practicing, see how terrible I am. All right, so this is more destruction than research here, but it's fun. Lots of pretty colors. So we're gonna try a 40. We're gonna put some new ones up and a couple of these old ones and see if we can hit a better shot on the 40. So here we go. All right, here we go. My favorite, the 40. Again, this sitting down thing is weird, but let's do it. Here we go. And let's chooch it. Cool. Let's check that out. Clear. All right. Oh, good shot there, Christopher. So dead center on this one. This was a fresh one. Obviously went through. I really thought these paintballs were going to do better. These were still full enough to where it would have been okay. Hit here, boom, boom, blew out the side, and just destroyed everything. It's so pretty. This is so weird. Stepping on these things, it's like stepping on little baby eggs. It's gross. Cool. Okay, so paintballs ain't worth a damn for stopping bullets. So we're just gonna line up the rest of them and shoot it with the 223. Just because you're here to watch it, let's do it. All right, time for the AR-15. Let's send her down range, boys. Are you ready? Right about there. Oh, yeah. Awesome. Clear. Let's check it out. Okay, the sight was off a little bit. Kind of spun this one, but hit down low. I was hoping again for a better shot here. However, it completely destroyed the second one. And then looks like then it veered off, kind of missed the rest. So I say we just move on to the 12 gauge slug at this point and finish these things off. What do you say? Let's do it. All right, little change of plans. Instead of doing a 12 gauge slug, I forgot we had one more of these. This is a copper solid magnum. I'm not sure exactly what round this is in there, but it's a hollow point that's in these things, and that should just destroy, hopefully, everything. Here we go. All right, solid copper magnum out of our escort magnum. Let's try it. Here we go. Awesome. Let's check it out. Clear. There you go, folks. Those solid copper magnums are awesome. That completely destroyed this thing. Come on, that deserves a thumbs up and a like. Hit that thumbs up and like button. Help out our channel. We appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for sticking around for this video. Can't wait till Can't wait till Justin gets back so we can have a little bit more accuracy. Remember, $10 t-shirt, free 50 cal brass. Don't forget to check out our Instagram page. My God, I'm slipping all over this stuff. Woo! And we'll be back.